This is the hood frame envelope cover for the Jaguar E-Type Roadster open two-seater. This is the earlier version, so it's applicable to any cars that have the overlap seat belts as opposed to the 3-point seat belts on the later cars. So it's applicable to Series 1 3.8 models, and the majority of the Series 1 4.2s, and then some of the Series 1.5 4.2s. So as you can see, there's no slit there for the seat belts for the over shoulder versions, but there are the two retaining straps that go on the bulkhead. Note that the very early 3.8s had 3 retaining straps, so just keep that in mind. Apart from that, they're all the same. This has been made out of black deluxe mohair canvas. It's edged all the way around, as you can see. This is sort of the rear area here. So it has this French seam to create the distinction over the rear areas where the hood frame comes up. On the underside, so this has been used with a beige backing to it. We can also offer black, but you get all of the metal brackets pre-inserted, covered in leather as original spec. That goes around this sort of B-post area. Then you have these ones here and here that clamp around the rear deck area at the back of the car. So that is, like I say, the overlap version for the seat belts. You also get these fixings, so you get some lifter dots and some Tenax, which are used to attach the straps to the bulkhead area as well as around the B-post quarter panel area. See our website for more details.